video. Now in this video, I will be showing you how you can make a PDF file merger using Python. So let's get started. So first, let's see the things that we need to import, which includes import Streamlit as st, import pandas as pd, and lastly, sorry, from pydf2 import pdf merger file merge. Sorry, just pdf merge. And lastly, from IO, we want to import bytes IO. And yeah, these are the four items, are components of this that we want to import. Okay. Next thing we want is to make our main. So let's just quickly create a define main and do a st.python to be file merger. So basically, we are making a file merger, but we are going to be adding UI into our Streamlit page. So what we want to do is basically upload the files is equal to st.file underscore uploader, and then we're going to be changing it to upload files, and then after that accept multiple files should be equal to true, because if it is to false, then that means we can only import or upload one file, but to merge a file we obviously need two files, or else merging is like we are just jumbling everything inside, right? So we are obviously going to need two files. So for that, we are going to be putting in extra multiple files to be equal to true. And then lastly, we want type to be equal to into a list, and then let's just add some dot like CSV, CSV, not XLSX, PDF, and obviously you can change this according to your liking. For me, I'm going to be putting it to CSV, XLSX, and PDF. Now after that, if upload the file, we basically want to st.write track to reorder files, and then file order should be equal to st.multi-select, and then we have to select files in order. After that, we want to put in uploaded files, our format function to be equal to lambda x, lambda x, and dot name. That's what we want. Then after that, we are going to be wanting our file name. So our file name to be equal to st.text input, enter name of the merged file without extension. And after that, we want merge out. Basically, what we did is we put in our label, and then we put in like the default value, and then later what is going to become is our, you can see over here, if I zoom it over, we want our marks, characters, right? So we're going to be putting in nothing for now, because then later we will check to see if we actually need some max characters. Okay, next thing, we are going to be wanting to have if, right? So down here, let's just type in an if length. Now, what do we want the length of basically? We want the length of the file or the, and then equal to length of the uploaded files. Then after that, we basically want to write st.write all files selected. Then if st.button merge files, so basically it means that if it is clicked and we want to put merged output, so merged output equal to merged, merge files file order. So basically after this we are going to be creating some new functions to make this thing work. So we have this again, so if merge files, then after that if merged output, and basically what we want is file extension to get file extension, which we're going to be using coding in a short bit. File order 0 dot name. So that's what we want. And then merged file name could be equal to, so it could be equal to f file name file extension. That's what we want. And lastly, st.download button f download merge file name. So that's what we want, and we are not quite done yet. We want to put in merge output file name is equal to merge. Sorry, let's take that out. Merge file name. And yeah. So, and lastly, we are going to be needing our, what else do we have here? Oh, sorry. We're gonna need mime. So, what should our mime be equal to? So, what it is, first of all, it is like the type of data. So if none, it defaults to text display. If data is type star or ding or applicate, if data is type byte or binary file. So let's just type it to, now let's go to str. So our data is currently a string. And then later, let's play with it all wrong and let's see what will happen. And then here we want an else. To have an st.warning. Please select all files in correct order before moving on. Here we go. Okay. So please select all. Sorry, please select all files in correct order before moving on. Thank you for the cooperation. Okay. So now that's it. We are done with our main. Now we are going to be wanting our define get file extension. Shakalaka. There you go. Okay, so this is very, very simple. So if we are just going to be wanting if file name dot ends with dot pdf, then return dot pdf. So basically that's obviously what we should be returning, right? Right? And then after that, here we are going to be wanting to put in file name, right? Yeah. Okay. Then basically elif file name dot ends with is dot csv, and we want it to be something like that. Then we want to just return dot csv. And I'm just gonna copy this one last time. And then there should be a xlsx, and that should also be an xlsx, yeah. And then we need to put in an else, return your, okay, so return nothing. So that's what we're gonna be returning. And yeah, we're kind of done with our get file extension. Hooray! Now we're gonna want to work out with our define merge file. Basically, there is define merge files, and inside we want to put files, and done. Yay! So what is the code? Obviously, it isn't the code, or else you guys would be like, wow, I can do this by myself. So I am going to be copying this code and keeping it here. So only difference is gonna be is first we are going to be putting in something like dot name dot ends with. So this is good for everything else. Dot name dot end with dot name dot ends with. And here I'm going to be putting in files 0. And now I'm going to be copying in the same thing for all of the rest, so something like that. And lastly, I'm going to be taking out these, take it out. Sorry about that. I'm going to be taking out all of these, and after that, we are going to be doing merge PDFs files. So basically, that's what we put in here, and we put in here, and we put in here. But obviously, it's gonna be different. So there's merge CSV and merge XLSX, right? And then lastly, here we are gonna be wanting an error because that's what I do. I love errors. So none. And what happens before none? st dot error unsupported file. So now we are done with our merge files. We are going to be wanting our merge PDFs, merge CSV, and our merge everything also. Okay. First thing we're going to be doing is define merge PDFs, and inside it we're going to be wanting files. Inside it, I'm going to be putting in paths. Now, after this, there's going to be two more. So this one is going to be called merge CSV and merge XLSX. And I'm just going to be writing the code after that. If name is equal to main, and after that I'm going to be starting up main, and for now I'm just going to be changing this to main. Obviously, I know that's not how it works, but yeah, I'm going to be changing it to main. So we are going to be going with our merge PDFs. Take out the box. Merger. So merger is equal to PDF merger. Like that. And then for PDF file and files, merger dot append PDF file. Yeah. And after that, we should go back there. Our output will equal to bytes.io and merger dot write will be our output. Then after that, we are going to be wanting merger dot close output dot seek 0 return output. And yeah, we got our merge PDFs. Now we're going to be going to want our merge CSV. So we're going to just be copying this real quick and pasting this over here. And then there's going to be some difference. So instead of all that, there's going to be no more of all of this code. And instead, we're going to have a merge df equal to pd.concat, and then add our list pd.read csv file. So there is a pd.read csv file. I don't know why it's not showing. Yeah, there we go. Now it's showing. And yeah, for some reason I don't know why it's not showing the file. We will check that out later on. But for now, let's continue and focus our straight. So here, for files and files, that's going to be what we're going to be wanting, and then ignore index equals to true. And yeah, after that, we have some of the code we already want. We just want to take out our merger dot close. Change that to merge the F, and here I want to put 2 CSV. I want output an hour and output an hour index equals to false. And now we want the last but not least, we're just gonna be needing to copy this code, place it here. And instead of read CSV, we're going to be wanting read Excel. So pd.read Excel for file and files, not index equals to true. And then we are going to be wanting to Excel over here. So now let's try this out by pulling this terminal up. Let's wait for some time. Yep, and let's type in Streamlit run main.py. Okay, let's wait for this thing to open up in my personal browser. There we go. Let's wait for this thing. And now you can see drag and drop files here. So if I browse files, let's put in some piano skills exercises with the Kiss the Rain piano PDF, for example. And let's say I want my practice, then my Kiss the Rain, or else it's saying please select all files in correct order before moving on. So you just click on it, or you just need to click on it, and then here, so it says all files selected. Now just name it. So I'm going to be putting in piano practices. And now let's type in merge files. And now it is saying that unbound method string.encode. So you guys know where this is coming from. This is obviously coming from our mind. So we can just change our mind to none. Now if I run it again, you can see that it got downloaded. If I just open it up, so it's saying that there's an error opening this file because it's already being used. If I merge files, so if I click no, and then after that our file should slowly open up. So instead of that, I'm just gonna go here, open this up directly, and you can see that our practice is here and it has been merged up with our main Kiss the Rain song. So you can see that this is how our file merger will work. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until the next time the punch video time is out. Bye-bye.